how to use Perplexity Incognito Mode. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily use your Perplexity Incognito Mode. So if you didn't know that, then you might be wondering that there is a new feature called Incognito Mode inside the Perplexity available currently. So first thing, just head over to any web browser and simply searching for perplexity.ai and you should land on this page where you simply have to log in or sign into your account. And if you haven't already created an account, you can always create by hitting the sign up button over here as well. And once you do all of that, just click or hover under this drop down menu right under this or right next to the profile icon, and you might want to find the incognito section. So to do that, just simply scroll down and here you should see the incognito option over here. So you can basically create a thread that don't appear in your library, that is your library section over here, like any other chats, and it will basically expire after 24 hours. So it's a great feature and great addition from the Perplexity. So you can do or create any sort of chat over here, and that chat will disappear completely after 24 hours. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.